Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So our content today is about new Checkrain changes. If we go here to this site, you will notice that they changed something 19 hours ago. And you will notice in the branches that they have added here, which is the footprint reduction. If we go into footprint reduction, they have changed two things here. First is src and the second is makefile, and if you look, it was updated 19 hours ago. If we go to src, they have changed two again. The first is dynamic and kernel. And if we look at the contents of the makefile, this is what you'll see. They updated a lot of things here. Let's take a look to the bottom. If we go back to the branches and check iOS 15, they updated 7 days ago. If we look at other branches, they have not changed anything yet. Okay, so this is it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And follow on my Facebook account. Thank you so much.